Hello, everyone. My name is Nathan Harvey, and I'm here today with Patrick. Patrick, why don't you introduce yourself?
Okay, hello, Nathan. Here's Patrick. I'm from Munich, Germany, and I work at Fido Bank, and we are a Web 2.0 driven bank. And I'm very curious about Chef and Ops code and how to manage your system stack, your Rails application with Chef. And so I wrote to the Ops code mailing list, and I got in contact with Nathan, and I'm very interested now to see how the different components of Chef work together.
Right, great. Thanks for joining me today, Patrick. So, my name's Nathan Harvey. I work as a technical community manager at OpsCode. I saw your message on the mailing list, and I thought this might be an interesting opportunity for us to run a little experiment. So, the experiment is as such. I'm going to work with Patrick and kind of go over some of the basics of Chef. And what we're hoping to do is actually deploy an application with Chef. And so we can walk through that entire process, sort of from beginning to end. And we're hoping to share those details with everyone watching this video. We'll also
Okay,
have,
great.
yeah, I'll also have a blog post or two that shares, all of the code that we walk through and so forth. So I think that
Hmm.
that will be very helpful. And so what I thought we would start with for today is really to try to get through the initial setup of Chef. Our goal here, really, our long-term goal, is to deploy a demo Rails application that you've built, Patrick. Tell me a little bit
Hmm.
about the architecture of that Rails application. Is it using MySQL? What sort of database is it using? Things like that.
Yeah, the idea is a documented oriented database. It's more also experimental setup, and I was thinking that maybe with Vagrant or Chef, I also can do a little bit of experiment on what database is best for the application. Right now, I'm starting with MongoDB, and yeah, it has some interesting features MongoDB, and that's why I've chosen it. The demo application is just a small example application with a Rails application. Nothing too difficult, nothing too special right now.
Great. So it's a simple Rails application that's running Mongo. So that'll give us an opportunity to look at how to manage an application with Chef, use Chef to install Mongo. What do you say? We should run this under Apache with Passenger, maybe?
Yeah, that would be great. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we'll have an opportunity to stand up a Rails application with Passenger, with Apache, and with MongoDB at the back end. And then maybe down the line, we could even look at refactoring your application a bit. So instead of using MongoDB, it uses another document store. And we could look at the process of writing a cookbook for that.
Yeah, that would be really interesting.
Yeah, I think that could be
Yeah,
a lot of fun.
there are over 150 NoSQL databases right now, so we can do a lot of cookbooks here.
Yes, that could definitely be a lot of fun.